political landscape in Uganda has shifted dramatically following the 2026 general elections, with the Patriotic League of Uganda, PLU, and its leader, General Muhoozi taking a decisive stance on the leadership of the 12th Parliament, having recently distanced themselves from the former Speaker, Anita, citing concerns over corruption and service awards. The PLU leadership has now thrown its full weight behind a new candidate. And it's not bad mouth. Here is a breakdown of the recent declaration that have signaled a new era in the August House. The endorsement of Oboth-Oboth. General Muhoozi said he has been the best minister in our government for the past 5 years. I want to be the first to endorse him for Speaker of Parliament 2026-2031. God bless Honorable Oboth-Oboth. Lillian Aber replied, said, congratulations, Honorable Oboth-Oboth. All the NRM PLU MPs will vote for the candidate you have endorsed. We believe in your decisions. Our next president, M. Kengaba. Dawidi Kabanda came in and said, Justin, Honorable Oboth-Oboth is the next speaker. We review situation in West Budama in Namalonga, where PLU's incoming Right Honorable Speaker Oboth-Oboth is born and his MP. It was party after party. This was the only rally General Muhoozi graced since his tenure as CDF.
Nimefurahi sana kuwatembelea. Asante sana kuja wengi hivi. Nawapenda sana. Deputy Prime Minister.
Following the endorsement, General Muhoozi issued several stern warnings to those who might oppose the transition, emphasizing the role of the military and natural order. General Muhoozi said there is no speakership battle. Our God, Jesus Christ, won that battle a long time ago. We already have a speaker now supported by the UPDF. Muhoozi went ahead to say, we have already made our decision on the new speaker, a man. Men were born to lead. That's the natural order of things. Those who do not accept her decisions risk arrest. The rhetoric of crazy politics. The general also addressed his political rivals, specifically the National Unity Platform, with a bold and provocative tone regarding his style of leadership. Muhoozi said nope, and Kabobi used to think they are crazy until they met a really crazy person, me. He went ahead to say, those who doubt my power in my country, try me now and find out. Muhoozi added, no one should even dream of trying me. I will not stop for anything. The move to replace the previous leadership appears rooted in a long-standing grievance regarding financial scandals within the commission. Dawidi Kabanda reminded people that this is not the first instance in which PLU has disregarded with the speaker on matters of corruption, when the commissioners, led by Honorable Afoyechan, awarded themselves Ugandan 400 million each. We supported the petition against them and also signed the censure motion. He added, he who laughs last, laughs best. Finally, the general referenced his lineage and his approach to governance, making it clear that the era of discussions may be coming to a close. I have my mother's blood, Bagwere. She is my hero forever. We do not believe in discussions. We only give orders. He also defended the Deputy Speaker, saying Honorable Taiba is a very good man. He is my younger brother. He has no problems. He is protected. The political landscape in Uganda is no longer just shifting. It has been completely remapped, with the 12th Parliament currently swearing in its members May the 13th to 15th, 2026. The transition from the whole guard to the natural order of the Patriotic League of Uganda, PLU, appears absolute by replacing Anita with Honorable Jacob Oboth-Oboth. The PLU isn't just changing a face. They are signaling a zero-tolerance policy toward the service award culture that defined the previous session. As General Muhoozi succinctly put in, the battle for the speakership was won long ago, not in the halls of parliament, but in the strategic corridors where military discipline and political orders meet. As we look toward the first sitting on May the 25th, 2026, the message to the 12th Parliament is clear. The era of consensus is over, and the era of the order has begun. Whether this brings the promised total accountability or simply a more rigid hierarchy, only the coming term will tell. So Norbert Mao and Anita rejected by PLU. What are your thoughts on this dramatic shift in the speakership? Do you think this new leadership will finally put an end to the service award scandals?